Okay, this is day number 1, and we found now the set, the location, and I'm a little bit scared about this director. Seems strange, and she's strange. I mean, he's not supposed to be here. Anyway, we have no insurance, and we are shooting this strange place with strange animals, with strange people.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so funny about that place. Your emotion had an echo in so much space.
Yeah,
And we were out there, was out there. Yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough.
Just wait, please.
Just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Probably.
I know. You are so busy now.
This is day 125. This fucking production, this movie is still going on, I don't know why. 8 crew members died during this movie, and today I asked the director to go to the bathroom. She said no, and I don't know what else I can do because it's the only job that I have, and I am underpaid. But I can't leave this fucking work, and the director is driving me crazy. And also today she wanted to shoot in a river with snakes and poison bugs, and now we are going, I don't know why, just following the producer. It's I don't know, I just wanna die. I have three sons, 3 boys, and this is the only job that I have. It's unbelievable. She wanted one actor acting today naked. You know, naked, completely naked in this fucking river with these fucking animals, poison animals. I don't know. It's crazy. It's crazy.
Thank you.
And I can die when I'm
I can't.
done.